We're playing Respondables, kids. Now listen closely. Continue. Multiplayer. Team verse. Ugh. Yeah, tired. I'm going to scrub the neck that isn't there. Whoa. Let's go. Let's go, Ghostbusters. Dang it! So close, yet so far. Oh look, there's Buddy with a shotgun. Oh wow, that's who killed me. That guy with the sniper right there. Ho ho! Quick escaped. Shock it, noob. Come on, Kills, you know you want this. Dang it. I didn't just try to shoot you. Oh sweet, I got it. Oh, dang it! Ah, the shotgun guy got me. I was about to shoot him too. Oh. Come on, dang it! Oh, goodness. He's gonna regain his life too. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's right. You just got snippety-sniped. Snippety-snipe. Dang it! This place is just so much fun to snipe at. I don't feel like becoming something else. Oh no! Hey look, I'm still alive. Oh, come on, no. There you go. Well, there. I got a sniper. Dang it! I was about to shoot him! I had a good headshot. Gosh, stupid, dang it. Shut up! Oh, dang it. Oh! Dang it, I thought I could no-scope him. Didn't work. No! No, I need to get one more kill. Dang it! Well, see you guys.